school that nurtures mind, body, and spirit, at Santa Elena Adventist Academy Incorporated, we promote Christ-centered education that prepares students for success in all areas of life. At SEAAI, we thrive on developing students intellectually, emotionally, socially, and spiritually. Our dedicated teachers are committed to providing a challenging and supportive learning environment where every student can reach their full potential. As a Christian school, we promote Christian values and foster a culture of respect, compassion, and service. From annual events and inter-school competitions, SEAAI students have the opportunity to showcase their talents and skills.
Studying at Santa Elena Adventist Academy Incorporated has helped me grow not only academically but also as a person. I feel supported by my teachers and friends, and I'm learning how to make positive impact on the earth.
At Santa Elena Adventist Academy helped me to grow and improve my talent and skills.
Santa Elena Adventist Academy Incorporated taught me valuable survival skills through the Pathfinder Club.
Join us at Santa Elena Adventist Academy, where a challenging but fun learning environment is present.